Be sure to go over front to back and side to side chest lifts. Links in the description below. Let's go and work on chest interior circles with the neutral position. Let's go. Up, 2, 3, neutral. Side, 2, 3, neutral. Back, squeeze your abs. Neutral. Side, 2, 3, neutral. Lift it up. Neutral. Lift it to the side. Neutral. To the back. Neutral to the side. Let's go again. Neutral. Up. Neutral. Side. Neutral. Drop it. Yeah. Neutral. Side. Now faster. Front. Side. Back. Side. Again. Front. Neutral. Side. Neutral. Back. Side. And lift. Side. Drop. And side. Yes. Doing great. Repetition is the mother of skill. So let's do it again. Now to the other side. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, neutral. Side, 2, 3, neutral. Drop, 2, 3, neutral. Side. Neutral front, lift it up. Neutral side, lift it to the side. Neutral, drop. Neutral side. Last time slow. Front. Neutral side. Neutral back. Neutral side. Now faster. Go. Front, side, back, and side. Again. Front, neutral side, neutral back, neutral side, neutral. Front, side, back, side. Yes, doing good. Shake it off. And let's continue. Now we'll do the circle without the neutral position. Are you ready? Let's go. Up, 2, 3, and lift it to the side. And drop it to the back. And lift it to the side. No neutral position. Going up. And lift it to the side. And drop it. Use the abs. And lift it to the other side. Again. Front, 2, 3, and side, and back, and side. Now let's do it faster. Front, side, back, side. Lift it up, lift it to the side, drop to the back, lift to the side. Again, front, side, back, side. Yeah, shake it up. Woo! Doing a great job. Now we'll do the same thing to the other side. Yeah. Go. Front, 2, 3, and side, 2, 3, and back, 2, 3, and side. Let's do it again. Front, feel the stretch, and side, and back, use the abs, and side. Last time slow. Front and side and back and to the side, and now faster. Front, side, back, side. Again. Front to the side, drop it to the side. Front, side, back, side. Yeah, doing great. Practice makes progress, and if you do it enough, it makes permanent. We'll continue to do the circle smoothly. Let's go. Front, keep on moving to the side, to the back, and to the side. Front again, keep on moving to the side, to the back, to the side. Once again slow. Front, stretch it to the side, to the back. Use your abs. To the side. Now faster. Front, side, back, side. Again. Front, side, back, side. Again. Front, side, back, side. Yeah, you're looking good. Woo! Let's do it again to the other side. Are you ready? Let's go. Yeah, you ready? Go. Front, 2, 3, and side, 2, 3, and back. Keep on moving. And to the side. Yeah, feel the stretch. Front. Keep on moving to the side, smoothing it out. To the back. Yeah. To the side. Last time slow. To the front. To the side. Stretch to the back using your abs. To the side. Now faster. Go. Front, side, back, side. Again. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Yes. Well done. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good, it is the thing you do that makes you good. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: try to emphasize one direction in the circle. It can be front, back, and even to the side.